Temu. Everybody is talking about Temu, but is Temu products any good? Today, me and my son, little Harry, we're going to put it to the test. And right, son? So in today's video, me and my son are going to be reviewing Temu camping products. So we are here in the north of England, a place called the Treacherous. And as you can see, it is very, very beautiful. Look at this, middle of nowhere. And we are going to test and review the products we have got. Everything we've brought, apart from our rucksacks and the tent, are all Temu products. And we're going to put it to the test and see how good they actually are. But first things first, we need to get all of our equipment out of the car and we need to hike up to the top of this massive hill all the way up here. Come on, let's go. So we're currently walking to the top of that mountain. It might not look like a mountain on the camera, but it is big. When we get to the top, we're going to set up base camp. And when we get up there, that's when we're going to review some of our amazing Temu products that will blow your mind. Son, if you look at the forest, just there, we're being watched. Those sheep.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Yeah, those bad boys are keeping an eye on us. They've been following us since we got out the car. Strange. Right, son, the first Temu product we're going to review is not this huge knife that you're carrying. Is this? Now, what is it? Is it like a little mini backpack?
Camping bag.
And how much did you pay for that, son? How much did I pay for that, son?
£4.
£4. Let's have a look what it does then. So we have a swanky phone holder. Comes in a beautiful camouflage decoration. Right, son, hang on a second. Right, we're in the middle of the countryside. Where you plan on plugging this?
You never
maybe
know.
he's over in the river, or maybe he's over in the... We'll plug in the tree, shall we? So yeah, what else we got there? You got your torch,
which was also £2 off Temu.
Ah, so let's have a look at this bad boy. So this is off Temu as well, £2. Let's have a look. Oh, yes, that's bright.
Zoom it in.
So we'll do the night test later on with that. So not bad actually, £4. You haven't got any contraband in there, have you? No, that's good. So really, all in all, not a bad product. It actually feels quite robust and quite tough. By the way, we're not being paid off Temu for this review. It's just, this is all the stuff that we bought to go camping with. More to review when we get to the top of the hill. First product, £4. Harry, how would you rate it out of 10?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Fantastic. Let's go. Very muddy and very wet. So this trail is turning into a bit of a swamp. Good job I got me Temu waterproof boots on. No, I'm just lying. These aren't Temu. These are from Sports Direct. But I'm sure Temu probably do have hiking boots. But I've got my own anyway, so. And Harry, check out these bad boys. Look at the size of those proper military boots. Are they from Temu, son?
No.
Oh, this Temu review's not going too well then, is it? Let's continue. So a couple of years ago, when me and Harry came camping here, there was some massive winds in the UK. And I don't think you can see it on the camera, but all the trees were all blown down. I don't think it really picked up on the camera so well, but look at that. It's mad. It's just like little matchsticks. But of course these trees are huge. And you can see it spreads right up into the forest there. All these trees that fell down. Yeah, it just looked absolutely mad. So my son is pestering me to do a waterproof test on the GoPro. So this is the new GoPro Hero 12, and little Harry is adamant that I dunk it in the water to see if it's waterproof. Now I know it says it's waterproof, but you know when you just think, oh, do I really want to stick it in the water just in case? You know, it's $500 worth of camera chucked into the water. Yes, it says it's waterproof, but I'm always a little bit dubious. But we will test it later, guys. I'm going to chuck it in the water and see what sort of footage we get. Fun today? Fun? Harry, son, where you going? Come on, son, keep going. Keep going. I tell you what, this hill, it just goes on and on. Look at the view. I'd actually like to know how high we are, how many meters above sea level. I'm sure the phone probably tells you, doesn't it?
Sure.
You want a quick check? Let's have a look. How many meters above sea level are we, son?
450.
Wow, let's have a look. 450 meters above sea level. That's impressive. Feels like a lot more.
Go on, if I can do it, you can do it.
Oh, you're recording.
Obviously.
I hope this is not one of those YouTube moments. Oh my goodness. YouTuber gets impaled on a fence. Kids, if you're watching this at home, do not try that. It is dangerous. Right, son. Come on then. Let's keep pushing on through this eerie. I'm sure this forest is probably haunted with some sort of witch, like in the movie of Blair Witch Project. You ever seen that movie, son? Blair Witch Project? I mean, you watched it. Well, oh, how are we going to get across here? Look at this swamp. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm going to sink into this mud, aren't I? Ugh. Watch your head on the spikes, son. Ow. Wow, like all these trees, look at them, how they've all been like ripped up. Look at that. Oop, go. Mad. Absolutely mad. Come on, son. So we've went off the main trail. We're now heading deep into the forest looking for our special campsite. Now this is a campsite we found a couple of years ago and it's absolutely perfect. It is so isolated. It's right at the very top of this hill and it's just got the most perfect view. You'll see when we get there. Perfect campsite, perfect view. We're going to be cracking open the barbecue. I might have brought a few sneaky beers to have as well, but I'm going to try the Temu product, which is a spoon, fork, knife, bottle opener. And what else does it do, son? Everything. Everything. Multi-tool. What was that? Do you hear that? Do you hear that, son?
Yeah, sounds like a bird.
You do know, in the UK, up here in the north, there is bears and wolves. Yeah, dangerous bears and wolves. Who knows? We might even bump into a Yeti. So, we have made it to the campsite. But what I want to do is see if our old fire pit is still there that me and Harry built and created. So I'm just going to flip the camera and have a look. Woo, I'm out of breath. Aha, look. There it is. So this is mine and Harry's fire pit, which we actually built about 2 years ago. And it's still here. It's absolutely mad. All these years. It's still there. So now that we're here, we're going to get the tent put up. And we are going to build a bit of a bonfire. Get the barbecue and go. But just check this out. Check out this view. Look, 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 look. Look. So this is the view we've got for tonight. We're going to put the tent just there. And this is our view. Beautiful. If there's one thing I hate, it's putting up tents. We did wild camping last time, but this time we're going to go for a little bit of luxury. Because last time we went camping in the winter, in the snow, and we didn't even take a tent. We just literally slept on the ground in the snow. So this time, a little bit of luxury. We're getting there, we're making progress, except we've had one major problem. The tent has got no pegs, not one single peg. So we've got a tent, which is half put up. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to find some sticks to peg each corner down. Son, is there any sticks up there that we can use to peg the tent down with?
Axe is still here.
No way. Look at that. We actually left this here. Look how old the rustic. We left it here because look, you can see it's completely bent. And it's actually still there. But might as well put it there, son. Because in the future,
It's easy for a tent.
in the future, you can bring your children here. You can call your son Harry if you have a son. And you can say, you see this axe? This was left here by your granddad. And you're going to leave it here for your kids and your kids and your kids. So that axe is going to stay there forever.
Wow.
Right, let's get this campsite.
Should we use the axe to put the tent up, you reckon?
Yeah, actually, yeah, we'll use that to, we'll just keep it here, so next time we come we can just peg in our pegs for the tent. Right, let's get the tent put up then.
Good thing I found this axe.
So, the most important Temu product is this bad boy, because I need to open up this bottle of beer. This is the multi-tool thing. It's got a spoon, okay, with a little fork on the end there. And if I pull it out, you can see on this side, we've got a very, very, very sharp knife. And we've got also a bottle opener. Let's put it to the test. Okay, son, ready? Oh, that wasn't good. But it's a bit strange because the knife is actually on the top there, which is razor sharp, and then the bottle opener's there. It works. Yeah.
No matter where we go, Dad, there's always something similar to Natalia, isn't there?
What, you mean like an annoying whistling kettle? Exactly. So there you go, you've just seen we have made a flask of Temu tea with our Temu kettle. And now, Harry, do you want to do the honours? Do you want to try? Look at the size of these cups. Oh, they're so cute. They're so dinky.
Did you get 3 of them?
So there we are. We should be sponsored by Temu, because Temu will make a fortune now because of this review.
So now, if you do need a cup of tea, just pop the top off and just pour in your tea.
That actually looks like a really good cup of tea, son.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Think of that, Dad?
Actually looks really good.
No.
So we have firewood because it is absolutely pitch black. I'm sure you can see now we're in the middle of the forest and we're just trying to pick off all the bits of dead trees just to keep the fire going, because it is starting to rain and it's very dark and it's actually very, very spooky here. Good morning. We are very wet, cold and tired. It's 6 AM. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but listen. It has never stopped raining since yesterday. It's been pouring down all night. Everything in the tent is soaking. Everything, our boots, sleeping bag. My son's still asleep there. Right, son? And everything is just wet. My feet on the sleeping bag are just drenched. Waterlogged. And now we've got to try and put the tent down and pack up in the rain. And guess who didn't bring a coat? Yes, I've got a fleece, but I haven't actually got a coat. So it's going to be a very wet, cold hike back to the car. So let's make a start. Come on then, son. Time to get up. Let's see what it looks like outside. Let's see how bad this rain is. Well, it looks very pretty. It's very, very wet. Can you see that on the camera? So there's our tent draining with water, because I'm going to drain it before I put it in the bag. Everything is soaking. So yesterday when we were here, the view over there was completely clear. It was clear blue skies, you could see for miles. But today, look how much the weather's changed. That's the thing about the UK, the weather can just change like that. But we have one more test to do, guys. We are going to test the GoPro to see if it really is waterproof. Now, we did pass a waterfall yesterday, just a little one. So I'm going to pop the camera into the water and see if it really is waterproof. I'm a little bit scared, but let's see if GoPro really is waterproof. Let's have a look. So here's the river. Let's see what we get. It's still recording. Look, son. Yay! It works. Well, it works for now. Let's just hope it doesn't break later. On that note, we're going home. That's it guys, we are back to the car and we are going home because we are cold, wet, hungry. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Can you get me words out because I'm so cold? And give it a thumbs up. And hopefully me and my son are going to have some more adventures very soon. Isn't that right, son? By the way, my son's called Harry as well. So this is little Harry, who's probably as tall as me. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. Hope you liked our product review of Temu.